So in this experiment, I'm going to prove that the pressure is equal in all the directions. For this, I have took a bottle and made 4 to 5 holes at the same height horizontally and filled the colored water up to the brim, and I have closed the lid. Now the water is not coming out from the holes because there is vacuum inside and the air is not going inside. So the water will not come out. But when I open the lid, the air will go inside. It will compress the water, and due to that pressure, the water will come out. So now see the magic. I'm opening the lid. And as you can see, the pressure is equal at all the directions. The water was coming equally from all the directions. So we conclude that the pressure is equal at all the directions. Thank you. I'm going to show you a science experiment on atmospheric pressure. For this, I took a glass filled with water, a lid to cover this glass, and a bowl so that the water does not spill around. So, first I lift up the glass. Now I will cover the lid. Now I am going to press it from the middle and make the glass upside down. And now we are going to leave the lid. So as you can see, the lid does not fall. This is because the air is applying pressure from downwards and the mass of the water is applying force from inside. So the atmospheric pressure is more than the water's mass. Thank you. Hello everyone, today I'm going to do an experiment on siphon method. First I'm going to explain you why we have to use siphon method. Now, for transforming a large amount of water from container A to container B, we use siphon method. Now, there is another way leaving siphon method. We can make a hole here and then we can attach our tube and the water will flow easily. But I don't want to make my tank look ugly. So I'm going to use siphon method. Now I'm going to tell where we use siphon method. Siphon method is used for cleaning the fish tanks or aquariums. So let's start the experiment. For this, I took a bowl with colored water, an empty container, and here I have a tube. So our step 1 is we have to fill this tube with water. So let's do it. So here I have filled the tube with water and closed the both openings so that the air cannot enter into the tube. So the first end, I'll keep it in the colored water, and the second end, I'll put it in the empty container. Now as you can see, the colored water has started to come. Now I have removed this. Now I'm again trying to put this tube into the container and let's see the water comes out or not. Now as we can see, the water is not coming. This is because when the water was filled in the tube, there was no air inside the tube, and when we added this into the both containers, the water in this container pushed the water and started to flow. But now the air has made a space in the tube, so it is not allowing the water to go inside. Thank you. For this experiment, I have made 2 parachutes at home. Here, the first one in the white is with bigger surface, and this yellow one is a smaller surface. Now I'll drop these both from a height and we'll check the one which which falls quickly will have more pressure. So let's check. Now we'll drop these parachutes. As we saw, the yellow one fed the first. So we can conclude that smaller the area, more is the pressure. Thank you.